Alright guys, a lot of people looking for mirrors and stuff. Never really did a review just on a mirror, but these are the mirrors that I got. These are from Amazon, and you leave a comment and ask me what they are, I'll leave you a link in for Amazon. But these are they were $39 or so when I bought them. They might have even been $34. But it's a pretty good mirror. It's all aluminum. It's got black, and you got the machine there for the silver aluminum look. This, it's pretty much kind of an aluminum. It's not plastic. It's got a decent look, as you can see. It's black. They also come in chrome if you want a chrome, all chrome. But the thing I like about these things is they don't vibrate. They're just as good as the stock mirrors. If you look at some of my other videos that I've posted, I know they're not the greatest videos because of that black tinted windshield. You can't really see what's in front of me on my ride along. But if you ever look at one of them, you'll see that there's not much vibration. It's a good clear image in the rear view, which is good. These things are made for a street glide, I believe, some other Harleys. The bottom stem part down here for the bolt to go in, it's actually a metric bolt size, right in the bottom stem. I'm thinking an 8. I think this is an 8 up here. Don't quote me on this because I don't want to get quoted, but I think up here for your mirror is an 8, and I think down here on our mirror assembly point it's a metric 10. And they actually make an 8 to a 10 adapter. They also make a 10 to an 8 adapter, either way you want it to go. So you could probably do that. If that doesn't work, what I did is, this is actually a Kawasaki Harley Davidson to a metric mirror adapter. And what I actually did, it was so close, I'm not sure what the say equivalent to the metric is for a 8 or whatever size this is. But what I did is I stuffed it full of JB Weld up here in this stem part, and then I put this bolt in, which threads halfway decent because it's so close. So I attach these two pretty much permanently. This down here, it'll be adjustable, so you won't have any trouble putting it where you want to put it. But that's the Kawasaki Harley Davidson mirror adapter. And again, those are like 39 bucks right there. You can't beat it. They look pretty good on the bike. That's what they look like. Got a decent look. And like I said, they come all chrome too. So whatever you want to do. That's that.